Our planet Earth is a treasure trove, brimming with remarkable gifts we call natural resources. These materials and substances found in nature sustain life and fuel our economies. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, these resources are essential for our existence. Imagine a world without the warmth of the sun or the nourishment of fertile soil. Natural resources are the very foundation of our existence. They are the building blocks of our civilizations, providing us with food, shelter, energy, and countless other necessities. Understanding the different types of natural resources is crucial, as is recognizing their importance in our daily lives. They can be broadly classified into two categories: renewable and non-renewable. Join me as we explore the wonders of our planet's natural resources and discover how we can all become better stewards of this precious Earth. Renewable resources are nature's gift that keeps on giving. These resources have the remarkable ability to replenish themselves over time, ensuring a continuous supply for human use. Imagine a flowing river. Even as we draw water from it, nature replenishes its flow. Solar energy, harnessed from the sun's radiant heat, is a prime example. Wind energy, derived from the kinetic energy of moving air, offers another inexhaustible source of clean energy. Water, forests, and fertile soil fall under this category. These resources, while renewable, are not immune to depletion if mismanaged. By harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water, and by managing forests and agricultural lands sustainably, we can ensure a continuous supply of these vital resources. This sustainable approach not only safeguards our planet's health, but also paves the way for a brighter and more equitable future for all. In contrast to the ever-replenishing renewable resources, non-renewable resources exist in fixed quantities within the Earth's crust. Their formation took millions, even billions of years, and once depleted, they are gone for all practical purposes on a human timescale. Among the most well-known non-renewable resources are fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. These energy sources have powered our industries and fueled our transportation systems for centuries. However, their extraction and use have come at a significant environmental cost, contributing to climate change and air pollution. Minerals, another category of non-renewable resources, are the building blocks of our infrastructure and technology. From the iron ore used to make steel for our buildings to the lithium used in our smartphones, minerals are essential components of modern life. We must transition to a more sustainable model that reduces our reliance on these resources while exploring and investing in renewable alternatives. This transition requires a global effort, one that prioritizes innovation, collaboration, and a shared commitment to safeguarding our planet for generations to come. Water, the elixir of life, is a renewable resource so fundamental to our existence that we often take it for granted. It covers over 70% of our planet's surface, yet only a tiny fraction of it is fresh water suitable for human use. Every sip we take, every crop we irrigate, and every industrial process we undertake relies on this precious resource. Water's journey through our planet is a continuous cycle of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. This hydrological cycle ensures that water is constantly being replenished, making it a renewable resource. However, the uneven distribution of freshwater resources and the increasing pressures of population growth, pollution, and climate change are putting a strain on this vital resource in many parts of the world. The consequences of water scarcity are far-reaching, affecting agriculture, industry, human health, and ecosystems. Protecting and conserving our water resources is not just an environmental imperative, but a moral obligation. We must adopt water-efficient practices in our homes, industries, and agriculture. By valuing water as a precious and finite resource, we can ensure its availability for generations to come. Section 5. Minerals, from Earth's depths to our lives. Deep within the Earth's crust lie the hidden treasures we call minerals. These naturally occurring solid substances, formed over millions of years through geological processes, are essential components of our modern world. From the smartphones in our pockets to the buildings we inhabit, minerals are the silent heroes of our technological advancements and infrastructure. Metals such as iron, copper, aluminum, and gold are some of the most widely used minerals. Iron ore, for instance, is the backbone of the steel industry used in construction, manufacturing and transportation. Copper is a highly conductive metal essential for electrical wiring and electronics. Non-metallic minerals such as limestone, granite and marble are equally important. The extraction and processing of minerals, however, come with environmental costs. Recycling, reducing waste and exploring alternative materials are essential steps in minimizing the environmental impact of our mineral consumption. Section 6. Forests, lungs of our planet. Forests, often called the lungs of our planet, are vital ecosystems that provide a myriad of ecological, economic and social benefits. They cover nearly a third of the Earth's land surface, harboring a staggering diversity of plant and animal life. Forests act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and mitigating climate change. Through photosynthesis, trees convert carbon dioxide into organic compounds, storing the carbon in their trunks, branches and roots. Beyond their role in climate regulation, forests provide essential ecosystem services. They act as natural water filters, purifying water as it percolates through the soil. Despite their importance, forests around the world are facing unprecedented threats from deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion, logging and mining. Protecting our remaining forests and promoting sustainable forestry practices are crucial steps in ensuring the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Section 7. Sustainability, a legacy for tomorrow. Sustainability is not just a buzzword. It's a profound concept that lies at the heart of our relationship with the natural world. It's about recognizing that the resources we enjoy today are not ours to squander, but a precious legacy we must pass on to future generations. Sustainability encompasses environmental, social, and economic dimensions. Environmentally, it means using resources wisely, minimizing pollution and protecting ecosystems. Socially, it means ensuring that all people have access to the resources they need to live healthy and fulfilling lives. Economically, it means creating a system that is prosperous, equitable, and resilient. We must transition from a linear economy where resources are extracted, used, and discarded to a circular economy where resources are kept in use for as long as possible through reuse, repair, and recycling. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, reducing our consumption, conserving energy and water, supporting sustainable businesses, we can all contribute to a more sustainable and equitable world. Section 8. Our responsibility, guardians of nature. As we stand at the crossroads of a changing world, it is imperative that we recognize our profound connection to the natural world and embrace our responsibility as its guardians. The Earth's natural resources are not merely commodities to be exploited. They are the very foundation of life itself, sustaining us and countless other species that share this planet. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. If we continue down a path of unsustainable consumption and environmental degradation, we risk depleting the very resources that sustain us, jeopardizing the well-being of our children and grandchildren. But if we choose a different path, a path of sustainability, stewardship, and respect for nature, we can create a brighter future for all. Each one of us has a role to play in this collective endeavor. We can reduce our ecological footprint by consuming less, wasting less, and making sustainable choices in our daily lives. By protecting our planet's natural resources, we are not just preserving the environment, we are safeguarding our own future and the well-being of all life on Earth.